Hello my weirdos, how you guys are doing? Right now I am putting some Maybelline Fit Me concealer on my lids, and I'm just prepping my lids. Now I'm going in with my LA Colors translucent powder, and I'm just setting that concealer that I just placed on my lid. Now I'm going in with this bright yellow, and I'm just going to put that in my crease area. And I am doing the pat motion because with yellow, it been very hard finding a yellow that stays the yellow and not like just like powder. Because I came across some yellow shadow that eyeshadow that when you swipe, it really just dusts off like it's powder. But my technique that I found that really worked for me is using the pat motion, to where I'm patting the eyeshadow on, and then when I get it to where I want it to be, and then I swipe, and I feel like that really helps, and it works for me. So that you guys will see me patting on the yellow eyeshadow, and then later on I will be swiping to like blend it all out, and then I will pat again to add more on. So yeah. Now I'm gonna go in with this like burnt orange. It's like real burnt to the point where it look red, but it's like a real burnt orange, but on camera it look real red. I don't know why, but it's really a burnt orange. It's like orange. But I'm going in with that shade, and I'm just patting that all over my lid, and then I'm gonna go in with another clean brush, and I'm just gonna blend out the orange and the yellow to blend everything out, because I want it to be blended. y'all, it's this brighter orange that I'm going into, and I'm just going to put that all over that burnt orange because the burnt orange was a little bit too dark than what I was going for. So I'm going in with that brighter orange, and I'm just putting that all over that burnt orange that I just put down on my lid. Now, yeah, this is a this is a dark red, and I'm putting it on the ends of my lid. Going back in with that Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I'm just going to clean up that wing that I did with my liquid eyeliner. Going in with my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color Cocoa. I am going to put that all on and blend everything out. With a wet, I'm talking about soaking wet beauty sponge, I am using that to blend out this concealer up under my eyes. Make sure y'all beauty sponge be soaking wet. Like put it up under some running water and like soak it, okay? I'm going in with the one and only Black Radiance contour palette with the shade Dark to Deep. I'm going in with that middle shade that you guys saw, and I'm going to use that as my contour shade. And I'm just going to contour my face, okay? Bring the color back to life. I'm picking this color out of the eyeshadow palette. It's like a brown, bronzy brown shade, and I am gonna put that and use that as my blush color. This highlighter here is the Wet n Wild highlighter, and I'm using that for my highlighter today. This is my favorite NYX matte setting spray, matte finish setting spray by NYX, and I'm just spraying it all over my face. If you are a returning Rayu doll, you would know what I'm doing right now. Y'all already know what's going on. But I'm smoking out my waterline with that brown, but it come off like an orangey. And then I'm going in with my mascara to brush out my bottom lash, and then I'm gonna give that effect that I have some long bottom lash, because my lashes are short from the top and bottom are short. This is a regular brown lip liner that I got from my local beauty supply store for like $1, and I'm just gonna outline my lips and then do like the regular lippy routine with the lip liner. Then I go in with my clear lip gloss, and then I go in with my lip creamy, my pink lip creamy, and that's just gonna be the lip combo today. And this, my Rayu dolls, is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys love this look because I love this sunset look. Yeah, it's giving me sunset vibes, but I hope you guys really enjoyed this look. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so you guys will be notified whenever I drop a bomb ass look again or any type of video. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below on what you guys want to see, and follow me on my Instagram. That's also in my description box, and I love you guys. Mwah.